If you are new to investing and feel confused, this video will make it simple. Most beginners do not fail because they lack money. They fail because they start in the wrong place. In this video, I will show you how to start investing in the United States step by step. Build your foundation. Before you invest in anything, you need a basic financial foundation. Think of investing like building a house. Investing is the top floor. Your foundation is the ground level. Here are the first steps. Step 1. Build a small emergency fund. Aim for $500 to $1,000. This protects you from using credit cards during emergencies. Step 2. Pay off high interest debt. Anything above 10% APR should be paid off as soon as possible. No investment will beat credit card interest in the long run. Step 3. Know your reason for investing. Are you investing for retirement? For future freedom? Your reason will help you stay calm when the market moves. What are you actually investing in? Investing does not mean picking random stocks. For beginners, the safest starting point is broad market index funds and ETF. An ETF is a basket of many companies. You buy the basket instead of buying one company at a time. It is simple. It is diversified. It does not require picking winners. For example, an S&P 500 ETF holds 500 of the biggest companies in the United States. Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon are all inside the same fund. This is why long-term investors use ETFs as their foundation. Choose your account. Many beginners get confused at this step. Should you open a Roth IRA, the 401k, a regular brokerage account?
Here is the simple version.
Account 1, the Roth IRA. This is a favorite for beginners. Your money grows tax-free. It is great for long-term investing. In 2026, the contribution limit is $7,000 per year. Account 2, the 401k. This comes from your employer. Many companies offer an employer match. This is free money. Always try to get the match if possible. Account 3, a regular brokerage account. There are no contribution limit. There are no tax advantages, but it is very flexible. Most beginners follow this order. First, get the 401k match. Next, contribute to a Roth IRA. Then use a brokerage account for anything extra. Build a simple beginner portfolio. Now let's talk about what to actually buy. You do not need 20 investments. You do not need advanced research. You do not need stock picking. Most beginners can use a simple 3-fund portfolio. Fund 1, a total US stock market ETF. This holds more than 3,000 American companies. Fund 2, an S&P 500 ETF. This holds 500 large companies. Fund 3, a total international ETF. This gives you exposure to markets outside the United States. This simple mix gives you diversification, growth potential, and low fees. And you can automate your monthly investing. Dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging means investing the same amount every month. You do not try to time the perfect moment. You stay consistent. For example, you invest $100 every month into your ETF. Sometimes you will buy at higher prices. Sometimes you will buy at lower prices. Over time, it averages out. This keeps investing simple and stress-free. The right investing mindset, the market will go up. The market will go down. Some months your balance will look great. Other months it might drop. This is normal. Time in the market matters more than timing the market. Most long-term investors who stay invested for 10 or more years outperform people who chase short-term trends. Your job is simple. Stay calm. Stay diversified. Stay consistent. What not to do. Avoid these beginner mistakes. Do not chase trending stocks. Do not follow hype from social media. Do not put all your money into one company. Do not invest money you need for rent or bills. Do not expect quick results. Investing is slow. Investing is steady, and that is why it works. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Quick summary. Here is everything in one list. Build your foundation. Use index funds and ETFs. Choose your account. Roth IRA, 401k, or brokerage. Build a simple diversified portfolio. Invest monthly with dollar cost averaging. Think long term. Avoid hype. Stay consistent. You do not need a lot of money to start. You just need your first step. If you made it this far, you are already ahead of most beginners. Start small this week, even $20. Your future self will thank you. Subscribe for more simple investing videos. And comment below, what is the biggest thing holding you back from investing? I read every comment and I am here to help.